valuable because of its capabilities. Now, here's what I've done in branding right now, AI for sales. So what I did, I've got AI inside the word sales. You can't miss it. There's AI for sales. And we're at 2.0 right now. There was another earlier branding that we had to abandon. And then the AI plus GI equals ROI, I picked a Swiss Army knife. How many functions does this Army knife have? And the answer is, we don't know. We're always finding more things that it could do. You can't carry one in your pocket on an airplane, they'll take it away from you. But when I travel, I like to have a miniature version because I'm constantly finding things that need to be repaired in my rental car or in my hotel room. And if I've got just a screwdriver, just a little something, I can take care of that and not have to worry about finding an engineer or repair person. So it's going to make you better. We don't know all of the different things these different tools, these different applications can do. That's AI.